Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about what is law. As we know, there is no such definition of the law. Yes, you read it right. There is no such a static definition of the law. But yes, we can define in the law for the time being, please, but not for eternity. It changed the time with the society. Jurist Arnold stated that we cannot define law in one or two sentences. The reason is that the society is dynamic and the law is made by the regulation of the society. So how can you give a static definition of law? And the society is itself dynamic and just the jurist Pollock also said it is very difficult to define law when you have a moral knowledge of the law. So we got that there is no static definition of the law, but to understand what is law, the definition of law have two major school of thought: positive law school, natural law school. Positive law school. It is also known as the legal positivism or imperative theory of law, Austin theory of law. It is also read as a man-made law. John Austin is considered as the founder of positive law theory. Austin defined law is a command of sovereign backed by the sanctions. According to the positivism, there are the three ingredients of law: command, set of rules and principles; sovereignty, state independent authority; and sanction, मतलब punishment. For example, Motor Vehicle Act. According to the Selman definition of law, law is a body of principle recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. According to positivism, law is a tool to achieve justice. Natural law theory. Natural law means the human morality comes from the nature. Morality means our sense or right or wrong. It has a history of approach. It also read as made of nature. The father of natural law theory is considered to be by many Aristotle. It is also encompassed sometimes divine law, a law made by God. Natural law is a principle of right and wrong which is inherent in human nature and not created by the society or judge. According to the natural law, is based on morality, conscience, fairness, and justice. I hope that to the extent I made it clear to you what is law. And law is a wider term, not a static. Many jurists define law according in the term, but our definition make us clear what is law. Thank you.